wondering, are you one of millions of people out there in cyberspace, shallow breathing? Are you stressed out, feeling unhealthy, unhappy? Boy, do I have the perfect festival for you. I want to invite you to the Breathing Festival, where 50 masters of the breath are coming together to help you change your breath habits and change your world, change your life, increase health, natural immunity. But most of all, my part is to entice you to the pleasure of wonderful breath posture, breath flow, and emotional and holistic fitness and resiliency. Come join me at the Breathing Festival from February 11th to the 28th. Change your breath. You'll change your world. Breathe and flow. Take a breath break. Join us. And you know what? If this year wasn't enough, then when? When is it time for you to choose yourself and your very own breath? Join me